no! The screen is black again! Come on, please start. Please. Nothing. No music. No messages. Hey, Nora, good morning. I heard the best news. Guess what happened? Really? What is it? Tell me everything. I can't believe he posted that. That's hilarious. Wait, are you serious right now? I can't believe this. I know, right? It looks amazing. I don't know, maybe the blue one is better. No way! The pink matches your eyes perfectly. I really think we should tell her what happened. It just doesn't feel right keeping it a secret. Maybe you're right. Yep, you just have to follow the instructions exactly as I showed you. What if I mess it up again? I don't think I can do this. It's gonna be fine. I'm here for you. Everything is going to be fine. I don't know what to do, Lily. Everything just feels wrong. It's okay, Nora. We'll figure it out together. Isn't this mural just the brightest thing you have ever seen? It is so colorful. I love the shapes they used. The bus seems late today. I hope we didn't miss it. I think I see it now, way down the street. And then we can go to the park after we finish our chores. It's gonna be the best day ever. I know, right? I can't wait. And then we can go to the park and maybe get ice cream after. That sounds amazing, Lily. I can't wait. Haha, you're hilarious. Stop it, you're making me laugh. Wow, I didn't realize the bus would be this full. It's okay, Nora. We can stand here together. Oh, wow, look! That is incredible! Wait, look right there. Do you see it? See what? I think that's where they're building the new animation studio. It's really nice out today, isn't it? Yeah, I love the sunshine. I know I haven't been myself lately, Lily. I just wanted to say, I'm really sorry if I worried you. It really is a beautiful morning, isn't it? It is. I feel like something amazing is going to happen today. Everything just feels so amazing right now. Yeah. I have a feeling today is going to be the best day ever. I checked my pocket, but it's gone. I must have dropped it. Oh no, this is bad. I really appreciate you meeting me today. I always feel better after we talk. This is nice. I told you that you would love this place. Their coffee art is amazing, right? I know, right? I told you that you would love this place. We have to come here again soon. I'm so glad we decided to come here this morning. The sunlight is just perfect. I've never noticed how colorful this street is before. And the pastries look incredible. They smell delicious too. I am so glad we decided to come here this morning. Me too. This is the best. Cheers. Oh my gosh, Lily. These roses are incredible. And look at that giant sunflower. Wow, they really are, Nora. I have never seen so many sunflowers. It is absolutely beautiful here. I know. The smell is incredible, isn't it? It smells amazing. This place is beautiful, isn't it? These hydrangeas would look perfect in your mom's vase. What do you think? Yeah, they really match the colors in the living room, too. Isn't this park just the most beautiful place you've ever seen? It really is magical, Nora. They look so happy. I remember when we used to play like that. I'm really glad we're friends, Nora. I always have fun when we hang out. The water just keeps flowing, doesn't it? It makes you think about things. I know it's hard right now, but I really think things will get better soon. You just have to keep trying. I'm so glad we decided to hang out here today. It's perfect. I think the festival starts right after we finish our project tomorrow. We should plan to meet up then. Yeah, that sounds perfect. Wow, Lily, look at those grapes. They look so fresh.
They do. But I think these red apples look delicious too.
These look incredible. Oh, we have to try the pink one. It looks so perfect. I wonder if it tastes as sweet as it looks. Wow, really? You're gonna let me have it. It looks delicious, but I think I'll save it for someone else. Let's find another one. Oh no, what happened? Are you okay? I dropped it getting off the bus. We can fix this, don't worry. I know it seems bad right now, but they promised they could fix it. Everything is going to be okay. What if they can't fix it? It was Mom's.
It's okay, Nora. He's the best. He'll take care of it.
Oh, thank goodness. It's totally fine. Really.
That's amazing news. I told you it would be okay.
I know you really wanted to get it fixed today, Nora, but maybe we should try the store across the street instead. I can't believe he fixed my bike tires so fast. He really is fabulous.
Yeah, he's pretty good. Maybe he should look at my headphones too.
I just wanted to say, I'm really glad we're friends, Nora. You mean a lot to me. So then I told him we should just wait until tomorrow instead. It felt like the right thing to do.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I guess I just didn't realize how much this mattered until now. Yeah, I understand. Did it break when you dropped it? I think so. The screen is completely shattered. I really can't thank you enough, Lily. It's totally fine. I'm just glad we got it fixed. I broke it. I really broke it this time.
It wasn't your fault, Nora. We'll figure something out.
It looks complicated, but this part right here is actually how the screen connects. We just have to be very careful with it. They said it's completely fixed now.
Oh, wow. That's amazing news.
I still don't see it, Nora. Are you sure it was here? Just give me a moment. I need to concentrate. Oh, yes. This one is much better.
It totally is. And look, they have the matching charger, too.
Look how the pink and orange light just dances across the clouds. It's like a painting. Look at the colors. They're everywhere. It feels magical out here tonight. Look how beautiful the light is hitting the houses right now. It makes me feel so calm.
I know what you mean. It's perfect out here.
I told them exactly what you said to say, and it worked perfectly.
See? I told you it would. I'm really proud of you.
It is such a nice evening out here.
I know, right?
I love walking around this time. So that's 1, then 2, and if we do the third thing. Oh, I get it now. That sounds perfect. I'll ask my mom as soon as I get home. Okay, I really hope you can come over. It's beautiful out here tonight, isn't it? I'm glad we came out for this walk. See? This is what I meant. It's just so peaceful here when the sun starts to set.